brownies? Yes, it's possible. They taste just like conventional brownies, but without the guilt. They are quick and easy, and I am going to show you how I do it. So let's go. Grüezi! My name is Karima and welcome back to Keto Mountain from beautiful Switzerland. Before we get started, let me show you the product I am using today and where I get it from. I have here almond flour. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Organic vanilla extract. I have Monkfruit. I will put the affiliate links down below. As well the recipe in both English and German. One more thing before we get to it. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then let's start mixing. For our brownies we will need 90 grams of 90% chocolate, 230 grams of almond flour, 5 small eggs, 40 grams of cream cheese, 250 grams monk fruit, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 280 grams of butter, 75 grams cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 120 grams of chopped walnuts. Let's start with the chocolate. In a microwave-safe bowl, I am cutting the chocolates into small pieces. Melt in your microwave for about 2 minutes until melted. I choose here Lindt, but you can choose any kind chocolate that you like. Add the partially melted butter, and before we get to the next step, make sure the butter is completely combined with the chocolate. Now, let's move to the next step. I am adding here my cream cheese, monk fruit, vanilla extract, cacao powder, and salt. And you want carefully stir everything together. By now, our chocolate should not be hot anymore, so you can add your eggs. At this point, I am using my hand mixer to combine everything. That will help the brownies to get very soft. Time to put our almond flour. So before I use my hand mixer, I love to stir it by hand so I don't splash everywhere. Now you don't want to stir it for long, just about 30 seconds, and add your chopped nuts. Here, I just make the parchment paper wet. It will make it easy to work with. Time to bake. It's going to take you about 23 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven and how you like it. Et voila! My brownies were inside for exactly 25 minutes. Now, it's very important to let them cool down completely. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe and support our channel. Subscribe, and it is important to hit this notification bell so you don't miss my next video. So, in the meantime, stay healthy and guten Appetit!